Today is an exciting day and the start to a whole new build series. We have Cho here.
Part 2, baby!
Part 2 road trip.
Or road to round 2, technically.
Yeah, round 2. Technically round 2. He has this truck here and this trailer. What are we picking up? We're gonna give you some clues that you can guess before we get to the car. So our first clue is Nissan. What's the second clue?
It's a 90s.
Third clue, 4-door. All right, that's all you're getting.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I had a trouble time. He was telling me, I'm like, Mike, please just tell me, bro.
You didn't get it. You didn't get it.
Oh, wait. You want to mention that it's right-hand drive? Well, knowing you, you don't drive left-hand drive.
I do have one left-hand drive, my Z.
Oh yeah, technically. Well, not for long.
Nah, I don't want to swap that one. But also, this fuel station has 110 at the pump. How crazy is that? $10 a gallon though. 5-hour drive. Here we go.
It's about to be...
Well, we just had a pleasant time loading our new car onto the trailer. Here it is. Half a car. It was half off, so couldn't pass it up. This is amazing. You guys think you can push it all the way back to Chicago for us? Now you're probably wondering, you know, what this is. What's going on here? Why is it cut in half? Well, this is the rear end of a Gloria, which is a 90s Nissan 4-door rear-wheel drive car. And the guy that was selling the half cut actually included an entire Nissan Gloria. Although this one's smashed. So we have the parts to fix this Gloria. Although this one is quite folded down. You can see this body line is completely sagging. Oh yeah, it's not good.
No, she ain't pretty. She ain't really pretty right now.
Well, hold on. It is pretty. It is pretty. Check out this angle. What damage? Car's mint.
It's really good though.
It does look really good.
Reminds me of one of those like Japanese like drift cars you could buy, all smashed up, look goods on one side.
Yeah, but it's the VIP Japanese car. These aren't supposed to be smashed. We'll get this thing fixed up in no time, but there's so many features on this car. I can make an entire video on how many buttons and crazy features are going on in here. Oh, even the door sills say Gloria. That's cool. We're gonna start heading back and we'll go over some of these features in a bit. We have about 5 hours. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you wanna see it?
We're gonna be here until like 6 in the morning. It's already 1:08.
Hey, I'm filming for a video. It's cool if you guys are in it. All right, cool, man. Yeah, it's got a little dent in the back though, but yeah, other than that, it's pretty decent.
Got built 80 on the dash, me. Damn. What's under the hood?
It's some weak motor. It's nothing crazy.
Nothing
Actually.
crazy.
No, it's actually really slow.
What's the model, the make and model?
It's called Nissan Gloria.
Nissan Gloria.
Yeah, Nissan Gloria.
What's the JDM?
Yeah, you know, get the job done.
What you gonna do to it? I know you're gonna switch this motherfucker up.
I mean, we gotta try and fix it. You see the back of this thing?
Yeah.
It ain't worth much right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but hey, what year is this?
90 something. I don't even know.
What they used to run these on on the track?
No, this car is not designed to be a track car. It's just like a low and slow car. It's like,
A Gloria.
yeah.
I've never seen that. Right on.
Yeah, but cool, man. See you guys next time. And this whole time, the car has been running. Can't even tell. It is now 2 a.m. We're gonna start heading back home carefully. Although I think we've already been spotted. So, are we gonna make it out of this parking lot, Joe?
We better.
This will be testing our luck on this car really quick. Yeah, we're all good. Man, this thing is so nice. To put it into drive, there's this little button you have to push down and then hit this button and then pull it back. I know it's auto. I don't know if these cars ever came manual or not, but this is a VIP car. I think they're meant to be auto. It's really nice. Drives really smooth. We made it out of the gas station. Thank God. This has got to be one of the best riding cars I've ever been in. Holy crap. It's so smooth, so quiet. Well, we made it about halfway home until we got stopped. And you want to know why we got stopped? What's your guess? No, it is not the missing taillight. No, it is not the smashed car. It's the fact that there's no license plate. He didn't even mention anything else. I was like, all right. He's like, where are you going? What's going on? Do you know why I pulled you over? I was like, not sure. You tell me. So yeah, he just took my license and I told him I just bought the car, gave him the title. He's looking up the VIN, making sure it's legit. Hopefully it is. I didn't VIN check this car, so I'm getting a free VIN check at the moment. But hopefully we'll be back shortly. At this rate, we're gonna be back around 5 a.m., which is really late or really early. I might end up just pulling an all-nighter. I don't know the last time I've done that, but yeah, we still have at least 3 hours left of this drive. But this thing is riding pretty good, nice and smooth, no complaints. The AC worked. I had it on for a little bit, cooling off. There he goes. Well, we got off with just a warning, thankfully. Verbal warning, so it didn't really even count. All right, back on the road we go. Our first fill up. I don't know what side the gas door is on. And I know a lot of people say, why don't you just check for the arrow? Well, this car doesn't have the arrow. Sometimes there'll be an arrow on the side of the gas symbol, and they'll tell you what side the gas door is on. Not the case here. I don't even know how to open this thing, actually. How do you open the gas door? Alright, I've been looking around this car for a couple minutes, I can't lie. And I just noticed under the switches here on the door, there's a trunk button and a gas button. That's cool, it's like hidden. Oh, you have to pull that out. That's really cool. Man, this car is so awesome, I cannot lie. Oh, I wonder what these were for. Does anyone in Japan know? OEM cap? This is the first car I've ever owned that doesn't have a gas cap holder. And the reason I didn't fill up at the last gas station is because the previous owner said he put 87 octane in this thing. And I was like, what? Come on, man. So I wanted to burn off as much of that as possible, so we are gonna put 93 in it now. It is 3:45 a.m. Cho, how are you holding up, dude?
I am. We're getting there, bro. We're getting there, man. I just use you as my oh, that's where Mike is. Just follow the light. Just follow the light.
There you go. We still have over 2 hours left in our drive, and that's just to Omar's. Then we have over an hour drive back to our houses. Oh my gosh, 15 gallons. Another huge gas tank car. 15.8.
Must be really comfy in here.
It's so comfy, I can't lie. And honestly, since this is my first time filling up, I cannot wait to log the miles, or I guess kilometers, so I can track the fuel economy on this car. I'm always curious about that.
They're not the craziest big gas tank in that thing, you know?
Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. This probably has like a 17-gallon tank in it.
Alright. Oh, the Carlos okay?
Yeah, car's all good.
Alright, here we go.
This thing is nice. I cannot believe we drove all night, but now we get to enjoy this beautiful sunrise. My one taillight is holding up very nicely. This is actually off of a Schwinn bike. And it looks like the guy welded some tabs to the quarter in an attempt to pull it, and that made for a great mount. And I also have my turn signal right here, so we're completely legal. This has got to be the strangest horn sound I've ever heard. We made it to Omar's, finally. How you feeling, dude?
Good.
Good.
Good. Feeling good.
This is where it's probably gonna sit for a while. And we also dropped off the trailer with the half cut on it because we're too tired to unload that right now. And we're probably gonna need a hand because it's pretty heavy.
We have no time either, dude.
Yeah, we have no time. I'm actually already running late to a car show. So we're gonna go drive the Z up to get my 240 and then go back down all the way to a car show. So eventful day. Thanks a lot, Cho, for transporting the vehicles.
No, of course, always. Oh, when's the next adventure? I'm ready. Let's go right now. Come on.
No, I need sleep before we go again.
Sleep? You need sleep? Oh, Mike needs sleep. That's new. Mike, just be careful out there, please.
Well guys, I apologize for not going over the Gloria too much in this video. Trust me, I really want to. My day, yesterday I guess, started with working on the 300ZX. I filmed the fire hazard video, if you guys saw that. So that video happened in the same day, same awakening hours as picking up the Gloria and driving all night. So I'm hooped. Worked on the car, drove all the way to St. Louis, drove it all the way back. I might not even go to this car show, I might just take a nap and then go back to the Gloria and check it out later. But don't forget to drop a like in the video, subscribe to see more, and I'll see you guys next time.